life.
PosterChild is an art factory that consists of friends and homies. We just create art, structure, and marketing. I like making clothes in general, but I think I'm just at a place in my life where I'm turning 30 and figure out exactly what that is. I think it's just to fund my life, to have the ultimate freedom as a minority woman who struggles with mental health. Bonna's from two places, Chino Hills and LA. I take those two worlds and mash it into one. It's kind of what got me into this commercial way of doing art. Art and mental health coexist. Being homegrown in LA is to be conscious of my energy I put into others in art. One of my elders once called me the influencer to influencers, and after helping so many talents and businesses and knowing the amount of people I can reach, I want to be able to pass this mindset on to future generations.
We are right here. We are